Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can give the location permission to your Facebook application. So in order to do this, simply click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you are here, click on the settings gear icon. Once inside the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll down until you see this option which says device permissions inside your activity. Click on the device permissions and it will show all of those permissions which are allowed or denied. So here you can see that under locations it is currently set to never. To change this, click on the see info button right here, and here it will give you some stats, and you can see this option which says update settings. Click on the update settings button and it will give you a prompt to open device settings. Click on the open device settings button and it will lead you to your mobile's settings. Then what you need to do is that under Facebook you need to click on this permissions button. Then from here you need to find the location. Here you can see it is the location. Simply tap on location and you may choose it to any of these two options. If you don't want the hassle to allow it every time, you may choose the option which says allow on allow only while using the app. So with this you also have the option to use precise location as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.